20,000 motor racing fans saw the start of the famous thousand.
The most extraordinary thing about these cars is that you're absolutely at the zenith of where design still involves beauty in it. Before you get into these sort of angular wedge shapes that were perhaps more about the way in which the car was forced to the ground than the sheer beauty of the car. And 67 here with the 412P, you're looking at something that just still has the most incredible shape to it, the design, the form, but it's enveloping the most incredible endurance sports racing machine as well. It's nearly a quarter of a century since anyone had the opportunity to buy one of these fabled P-series cars. And this particular 412P, it has the most extraordinary history. It debuted at Spa at 1,000 kilometers. It continued through the season being driven by the likes of Richard Attwood, by David Piper, by Joe Siffert, by Piers Courage. It was on the grid at Le Mans. This very car was part of their journey in 1967. You're looking at this absolutely timeless piece of art. It underwent a complete, comprehensive and sympathetic restoration during which the original body was returned to the car. So you're sitting there looking at a car of this historic importance that retains its original bodywork, its original chassis, its original engine and its original gearbox. And as you can tell, it's the most beautiful piece of art beyond everything as well.